How to use the accessibility menu for quick actions. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to use the accessibility menu for quick actions. So now let's get started. First of all, to use the accessibility menu for quick actions on Android, you need to enable accessibility menu. So go to the settings, search for accessibility, then click on accessibility menu. Now toggle it on. If you allow accessibility menu, it will have full control on your phone. To use the menu, tap the floating icon on the screen. Access quick actions like screenshot, lock screen, volume control, navigation buttons, and more. Now to disable the menu, again go back to the settings and toggle the accessibility menu option off. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.